Hey, good morning, folks, and welcome back to flyfishingwithjeff.com. And I'm here in north central Wisconsin, and I'm on a natural lake fishing for muskie this morning. And if you've ever fished for muskie, you know that it will test your will. It's 49 degrees this morning and raining pretty hard. And I also know that I could probably very well may cast all day long and not find a fish, but that's musky fishing. And this is one beautiful lake, beautiful time of the year. I'm in the second week of October and really enjoying this morning. Obviously I pretty much have the lake to myself. So come along, let's see what happens today. Let's see if we can hit the jackpot, so to speak, and find us a muskie, or maybe a couple, or I'd certainly take a big one. But come along with me and let's just enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. Well, I have unfortunately sideswiped a pike. But that's not a bad pike, so go for it. I think he was following me there for a while, so that was fun. That was my third take of some kind here in the first 30-40 minutes, which is encouraging. So we'll just see how it continues to go. All right. Well, it's not a muskie, but it's a much better pike. Whoa, come here, come here. See if we can get you in here and figure this out. Come here. All right. There we go. I think I'm gonna have to go to the old pliers for this one. Come here, man. Open that mouth up. Come on. All right, come out of there. All right, so there you go. Let's just see real quickly. what that guy's gonna be. About 23 or 4. Alright, so we're going to let you go. And there he goes. Alright, got us a Mr. Bass. Boy, I tell you what, buddy, you took on the big fly. Come on now. So let's open you up. Alright, you're a healthy pounder. Go grow up. Well, folks, welcome back to the second day here in pursuit of a muskie. And not to sound like Clint Eastwood or anything, but do you really want to be a muskie fisherman? It's one of those very tough days. Since Monday here in Wisconsin, they've gotten 5 inches of rain, and currently it's 37 degrees. Somewhere between mist and rain, and the winds are out of the northwest at 15 to 20 mile an hour. So I guess you have to ask yourself if you really want to be a muskie fisherman, or if you've got what it takes. And I don't know, it's a tough call. It's one of those really, but for me it's worth every minute of it, the thrill and the idea that big fish is down there. So anyway, come along with me today. I'm heading back again to a little lake here just east of Wausau, Wisconsin, and we're going to see what we can find, and hopefully we can hook up with at least one muskie, but if nothing else, we're going to have a good time and enjoy the beauty that's still out and around here. Day, but this is musky fishing, and if you're going to go, you're going to have days like this. Well, folks, as you can see from those last few clips, boy, musky fishing isn't for the faint of heart or sissies, because that was a tough day. 36 degrees, rained and snowed and blew, and I gave it a good shot, 2.5, 3 hours worth. And I really wish I had something nice to show you, but the reality is that's what musky fishing is. There's just a lot of downtime, a lot of casting and retrieving and casting and retrieving for that flash of maybe even just seeing a muskie. But I hope you get a chance to get up here North Country, give this a shot with the fly. It's just a lot of fun. It's quite the challenge, and it's exciting knowing that at any given point in time you may hook into a fish of 40 inches or more. So hope you enjoyed this little short video. I wish I had, again, more to show you, but that is the way that it goes. And Mama said there'd be days like this, and this was one of those days, and I'm still glad I went. So good to see you. Come on back. If you need any more information, go to flyfishingwithjeff.com and look me up there on the website. Thanks.